Hello guys, my name is Geng. Welcome back again. This is the time we're waiting for, right? Christmas coming soon. And it seems like everyone is up for it early this year. So now it's time to pop up the Christmas tree. Usually I got a small one, like 2 feet tall to decorate for the past few years. But now I just got an idea to create my own Christmas tree for this year. So let's get started. First I'm gonna create the tree trunk by using these 2 full branches. It's a wire covered with a fiber foam, kind of flexible and a bendable one. What I'm going to do is just stacking them up in vertical. So I'm attaching one of the branch at the bottom to the middle of the other one. So I'm using the floral tape wrapping them together to make it as one taller piece. But when they stick together, the bottom one cannot hold the weight. It's kinda flimsy. It can't even get up straight. So now I'm just wrapping some skewers to the body, down to the bottom, to make the trunk stronger, standing still, and not gonna fall down on me. So I think it works now. It's almost hit for 6, just around 1.4 meter. I don't have any room for the chunky one, so this is a perfect decent size for me. Then I need to find a stand for it, so use a plastic cup and fill up the pebbles in there to get some weight for holding the tree on. Now I just spread out every branches to form up the tree looks. The trick is, you better step back and forth when you do that to see the overall. And then you just keep bending until you feel it looks balanced. I think I'm okay with this look right now, so it's time to spice up this guy. I use this brown acrylic color, painting in every section of the tree. To be honest, I'm thinking, should I leave it white in some part of it, like a snowy flocking? But finally I just paint it all over. And if I feel like I want it to be flocked, I will do it later on. Then I mix up the black color to get the dark brown, and I'm just brushing around to pop up the textures and get more dimension to it. So here, this is how it looks. I'm already obsessed with it. So these are pieces of the foam pine needles branch that I got last year, and I'm gonna using them to bushing up this tree. Here, this is some of my inspo of the Christmas tree that I'm into it. It's kinda Nordic Scandinavian pine spruce, skinny and minimal kinda style. So let's see how it's gonna be. So what I'm gonna do is just bending this piece of the needles to make it look more natural, and then I'm just wrapping it with the floral tape to the branch. Salute to the one who created the floral tape though. It's the base tape of our crafty mankind. So I'm just bushing up all around the whole tree. You can add on the pine needles as many as you want. If you put some more, you would get a typical fluffy one. But this year I'm gonna keep it simple. I don't have many of the pine needles anyway. Next I'm gonna use this pine cone ornaments. But I want it to be real, so I just take the hanger off and I use the hot glue gluing the string down to the top of it. Then I just tie it up to the branch right next to the pine needles as a real one supposed to be. So after the pine cones are there, I'm just painting the brown color again to cover up all the tapes and everything that I missed. Then I'm touching the dark brown color to it in the same way as well. Last but not least, I tie up the wooden dowel to stake in the tree to make this guy look even more realistic. So this is a ceramic vase that I got from the thrift store, and I think it's a perfect one to get the tray sit in there. Now I got my own one of a kind tree to decorate for these holidays. Let's take a look. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you like it. So I will do the Christmas decorate in the next video. Bear with me guys. See you soon.